Hello there. Welcome. Today you will learn about all the planets and beyond our solar system. First, let's look into beyond our solar system. Our Sun is one of over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way, and our galaxy is just one of countless billions in the universe, each having millions or billions of stars of their own. Now let's take a look at the Sun, one of the most important things. The Sun is the star at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything in its orbit. Almost all 99.8% of the mass in the solar system is contained within the Sun. Now let's have a look at comets. Comets are icy balls of dust and frozen gases that orbit the Sun. When a comet's orbit brings it close to the Sun, it heats up and spews dust and gases, creating a giant, fuzzy head called a coma and a long tail. Next, asteroids. Asteroids are giant hunks of rock and metal that orbit the Sun. Like comets, they are remnants from the formation of our solar system more than 4 billion years ago. Now it's time for planets. This will start from the order of them from left to right. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest of our solar system's major planets. It's only slightly larger than Earth's moon and the closest to the Sun. Mercury is also the fastest planet, zipping around the Sun every 88 Earth days. Venus. Venus is our closest planetary neighbor. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Glimpses below the clouds reveal volcanoes and deformed mountains. Earth. Earth, our home planet, is the third planet from the Sun, and the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. It is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. Mars. Mars is a cold desert world with a thin atmosphere. NASA missions have found lots of evidence that Mars was much wetter and warmer, with a thicker atmosphere, billions of years ago. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Despite its huge size, the planet is made almost entirely of the lightest elements, hydrogen and helium. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Adorned with dazzling system of icy rings, Saturn is the farthest planet from Earth that was discovered by the unaided human eye and has been known since ancient times.
Uranus. Uranus is a giant planet surrounded by faint rings and more than 24 small moons, rotating at a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. Its unique tilt makes Uranus appear to spin on its side. Neptune. Neptune is the most distant of the 8 major planets orbiting our Sun. It is dark, cold and whipped by supersonic winds. Like Uranus, Neptune gets its bluish color from methane gas in its atmosphere. Pluto. Pluto is a complex world with mountains, valleys, plains and glaciers. Long considered our solar system's 9th major planet, after the discovery of similar worlds in the space beyond Neptune, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. The final important one is the Moon. Earth's moon was likely formed after a Mars-sized body collided with Earth several billion years ago. Earth's only natural satellite is simply called the Moon because people didn't know other moons existed until Galileo Galilei discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter in 1610.
Thanks for watching and learning with us.